Swastiastu. Bapak, Ibu. Ya.
Silahkan dulu.
Terima kasih. My shoe's ready, ya. Hi, welcome back to Bali today. So I'm very excited to introduce you to some people who also live in my Banjar, but who know a lot more about the thing than I do, trust me. So first of all, thank you very much for welcoming to your home, and I would like to introduce you to a well-known person here from Bali, Pak Sirkus, and his wife, Ibu Made. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You've invited me here. It's beautiful here. I forget, the Balinese style traditional home. It's so peaceful.
I'm very happy you come in the village in Tegalgundu.
It's 4 years now.
Yeah. And already sometime already in the many building, sometime in the square, there's organization and security, and it's very happy in the pariwisata, international school, also sometime in the up and very good in you come.
Yes,
this information. I'm very happy this time family also together people in the village.
Thank you. I have many questions now. I understand the Banjar has a little bit of a history of having different religious groups in this one Banjar.
Yes, and Banjar, religious sometimes in the Banjar, and different, and religious and Christian and Hindu, and together in the Bhinneka Tunggal and in Indonesian, but and together very happy. It's not complicated.
But I know even in my little street, which I want to show you one day, just in my little gang, we have the orang Christian and the big church, and we have then the orang Bali, no orang Hindu, then we have the orang Jawa, which is the orang Muslim, and then we have orang Buddha there, and all the way down the street. It is fantastic, and all in one little street.
This not different people, but sometimes and the material they use different.
Yes.
Same and the social.
Yes.
And the job.
Yes. Now, Pak, you have touched the lives of many, many people. Obviously, many orang Bali and also orang Asing that come from other places, and they all know Pak Sirkus. So, I want to ask you, do you consider yourself a therapist, a healer, a magic man? What do you call yourself?
I'm just no magic, only magic Jerry. And important tourism, Indonesian and the local when like me, important apa yang dicari saya sesuai dengan inginnya dia, important better and happy.
Well, you're doing a good job.
I'm like,
I see people come here and they're all broken and sakit, and then they see you, and when they leave, they're happy again.
The people also and I have important that God bless.
Thank you.
Back sometimes in the balance.
That's true.
Every is the same, feeling, ailing, and smelling.
Now, Ibu, you must have, please help me, yes? Please translate. You must have a large amount of patience, because almost setiap hari, banyak orang di sini. Ya?
Ya.
Ya, you don't mind?
Tidak masalah.
Ya. Kenapa?
Kita sama-sama minta kepada yang pramukawi supaya kita diberikan berkat.
Supaya semua happy.
That's right.
Ya,
that's a good job.
Semua happy.
Now,
itu family
it makes a difference.
Wife,
Yes, and very beautiful. Dari Tegalgundu, you're also from here. Oh, I love that, the backyard, the hometown romance.
My wife special in the ceremony and membantu saya.
Yes.
Ada kepentingan saya orang yang perlu dia datang, asal itu kondisi bagus, dia membantu saya dengan meningkatkan kualitas daripada penerima tamu, melayani masyarakat maupun melayani rumah tangga. Gitu.
Well, congratulations, Ibu. You're making lots of happiness and peace, always. So I have to take a minute and give you a little apology. What's happened is we've slipped into the way of speaking once you come to live in Bali is we're speaking bahasa campur. A little bit English, a little bit Indonesian. So we'll try to get you right with the subtitles later when we go on with the show. Now, I heard a rumor. Someone told me one day that your name is because you used to take the children to the circus.
Yeah.
Is that true? Is that where your name came from?
Oh yeah.
Pak Sirkus?
Pak Sirkus. I am like this name Pak Sirkus, yeah.
Yeah.
And the many place, this no my son, my daughter, no name Sirkus. Only 197, 1989.
Yes.
This come in circus big into the pasar place big circus.
It's true.
Yeah, my wife and double body and the born baby in the rumah sakit and the hospital.
Yes.
I forget. Look circus. This name many people. This name my Pak Sirkus. Sorry Pak Sirkus. Pak Sirkus. I am real in the name.
So you can never forget now. You never forget that day.
This time you did. I am this no play circus only profession massage.
That's of course. So Bapak, I want to know within the Banjar in Tego Gundul, is the system the same all over Bali or a little bit different? Each Banjar a little bit different?
A little bit sometimes organization together inside and the Banjar one and organization dinas, organization adat.
Okay.
Suka duka.
Now I understand that there within the Banjar you still have the relationship adat, which is the tradition, dinas. But you also have dinas and that's this taking care of normal things that have to be done in the community, yeah? Okay. And there's a difference between men and men's business, as we say in Australia, and the organization for the women. Please explain to me.
There's no business and this organization social.
Yes.
And the adat.
Yes.
Too sometimes and the suka duka.
Yes.
And the cremation and the adat. Different.
Okay. Thank you.
And the view sometimes and the organization and the budaya.
Yeah.
And singing the same Santi.
Santi. And that's the women's role,
also,
yeah? It's the women, Ibu, that get to sing.
Dinas,
yes.
And the umum. No difference, sometimes religious.
Okay.
Umum.
Okay.
Together, everything inside the Banjar.
Sure.
This name dinas.
Okay.
Yeah. And security. My wife and the PKK. Dinas.
The men's group, yes.
The PKK, dinas organization.
Yeah.
And Sekogidung and Suka Duka.
Okay. So the men are taking care of those areas within the community. And what do the women get to do?
Ya, organisasi PKK di Banjar Tegal Gundul ini ada kegiatannya setiap 1 minggu sekali menyapu.
Yeah. So that make sure that the area is organized and kept beautiful. The civic responsibility.
The same organization dinas.
Right.
No different.
Okay. And then, but the singing is more in the area of religious, yeah?
Dan ada juga organisasi Sekokidung di Banjar Tegal Gundul ini dikoordinir juga kepada klien dinas, klien adat untuk ini apa namanya kegiatannya di Banjar-Banjar, ada seremoni.
Yes.
So umumnya di pura gitu.
We sometimes get a funny view when we're living here, the orang asing that come to live in Bali. We see the women doing so much with the bantan and cleaning, and we sometimes think the women do all the work, but I know that's not true now. Thank you, because through the Bali Today show, we're reaching out to some people who, because they don't have very good Indonesian, they don't always know what's going on in Bali. So thank you for giving us that window. Even if you have a little bit English, it still helps us.
I'm a little sorry.
It's good. No, bagus. Thank you. All right. We're going to take a little break, and we'll be back, and we'll have other people coming to join us and explain more about Banjar kita, our Banjar.
Yeah.
Lovely to see you, Ibu.
Thank
Terima
you.
kasih banyak.
Saya ucapkan Santi, Santi, Santi Om.